Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs, low miles, and a good deal. Features also include keyless entry, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2017 Accent. Designed to keep you moving and leave boredom behind, the Hyundai Accent is affordable, fuel-efficient, and safe. A winning combination. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, remote keyless entry, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, remote trunk release, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.